It is incredible that in order to allow Pakistanis to use convenient and hygienic tap water, this small workshop specializing in the production of plastic pipes uses low-cost recycled waste plastic to produce high cost-effective tap water pipes. These very dirty waste plastic bags are the raw materials used to produce tap water pipes. The workers will first continuously stir the plastic belts to separate the dust, metal, and other impurities. This process is like the relationship between people. Some are still as solid as iron after being stirred hard. Some are lightly touched, and each is divided into foreign layers. It directly ignites the plastic belt for incineration and heating. This process does not cost pads or gas, but some people spend money. The waste plastic bags that enter the extruder are under the strong pressure of the bare rod inside. It will be heated by the high temperature. Then the 2.5-year chef trainee will cut the sole from the extruded wood and put it on the chopping board while it is still hot. Then use a spatula to divide the sole into small pieces. This is to facilitate the subsequent crushing process. This position not only requires extremely skilled splitting skills, but more importantly, don't even mention that the appearance and quality of this cooled plastic block are no different from the dark bread of India next door. Next, the prepared plastic block needs to be crushed. The worker will put it into the crusher and crush the plastic block into plastic particles through the crusher. This fine plastic particle is also used as the raw material for the production of tap water pipes. After the material is crushed, the workers will pour the plastic granules on the ground and then pour in the granules made from the residual water pipes. Then they need to mix a certain proportion. This kind of refined material is also made from recycled materials, but its performance is better than the poor quality waste plastics. This can ensure that the quality of the water pipes can meet the production requirements. After the plastic granules are mixed, the workers will pour them into the pipes and squeeze them out. In the machine, the plastic particles will be squeezed vigorously and mixed into a sole through temperature control. When the sole is squeezed through the pipe extrusion female head, it can be made into a water pipe of standard diameter. Then the extruded water pipe will first pass through a water cooling pool for cooling and shaping, and then use a pipe transfer machine to transfer it at a uniform speed to avoid the situation where the overall quality of the water pipe is different due to speed fluctuations. The pipe will be wound by an automatic winding machine. Some old friends will say that this kind of pipe material cannot be used as tap water pipes, but this is in Pakistan. Local resources are relatively scarce, so they will use all the available resources. All kinds of products are first used and then easy to use. Only when the demand is met can we pursue more stable. The pipes are bundled and fixed here. This kind of tap water pipe made of waste plastic tape is produced. You can see that the colors of the pipes they produce here are not consistent. This is because the proportion of recycled materials contained in pipes of different prices is different, and the service life of the pipes is also different. This will give customers more choices.